Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening shortcuts and confirming permissions so actions run without prompts. Once done, select the app you want to lock and note its exact name. This prevents mismatches. Now create a new shortcut and pick an appropriate trigger, automation for time or event, quick action for a home screen tap. Make sure to set the shortcut's name clearly. It's how you'll find it later. This first step gets your environment ready and the basic workflow started. Once your shortcut exists, add the specific actions that implement locking. You can open or close the target app, then enable a focus mode or run a script that toggles restrictions. This is how you prevent access. If the platform supports authentication actions, insert a prompt for password, Face ID, or Touch ID to gate reopening. Make sure to sequence actions: lock, verify, then notify. This combination enforces the lock and gives users immediate feedback about the state change. You finish by testing the shortcut end-to-end. Run it manually to confirm the app locks and authentication works. Once satisfied, assign the trigger you want, widget, gesture, automation schedule, and test again in normal use. If something fails, verify permissions, confirm the app's exact name or bundle ID, and add short delays between actions to allow state changes. Make sure your authentication action is supported on your OS. If not, switch to a supported method and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.